with Aligned Realty. We're here today at my open house in Long Lake Ranch in Boots, Florida. Just wanted to introduce my special guest, Devin from Smart Real Photography. Hi, Devin. Thank you for being here today.
Thanks so much for having me. How you doing, everybody?
I'm doing wonderful. Just wanted to take a moment and educate everybody on the importance of professional photography with homes that are on the market and trying to be sold. So, Devin, do you have any interesting facts about real estate photography?
Actually, I do. There was actually a study done recently by Apartments.com. It was a deep study done. They actually found that 72% of listings that do not feature quality HDR images and drone work are more likely to be passed over. So you want to get as many eyes on this as you possibly can. And Matt here implements the highest technology in photography today. Here at Smart Real, with the drones, we use the top of the line. DJI drones, 4K video, raw photos, HDR, top of the line. And this allows you to capture so much more about different angles, different altitudes, what's in the area, capturing everything, encompassing everything as a whole. And we actually implement that in several ways to the VR tour. So you can start the tour your way through the home, come back out and see it from a completely different angle from bird's view. It's just a wonderful technology. It's just hit the market. One of the ones utilizing it today. So.
Oh, absolutely. I've noticed that I have higher click rates and more interest on the properties when I have a professional photographer shooting those videos and photography. So now, I want to take a quick second. It sounds like we actually have a drone here. Would you like to show the nice people at home?
Actually, yes. Today we have a flagship model from DJI. This is a Mavic 2. This is the one we use to shoot all of our homes. All of our photographers are FAA 107 trained on these bad boys. They take amazing shots. Video shoots in 4K, beautiful video, and then in HDR photo world, as a Hasselblad camera, allows you to capture simply the best photography in the sky. So definitely cool in the future of real estate technology and photography.
Well, that's wonderful, Devin. Thank you for being here today. And everybody, you have a great weekend, and
the sky's the limit.
the sky's the limit.